The Mercedes-Benz G-Class, an enduring symbol of rugged luxury, has captivated automotive enthusiasts for decades. As we approach 2025, the anticipation surrounding the redesign of this iconic SUV is palpable. Mercedes-Benz, known for its commitment to innovation and timeless design, is set to unleash the G-Class redesign concept, promising to marry the legendary off-road capabilities of the G-Wagon with cutting-edge technology and modern luxury. In this article, we explore the highly anticipated features and enhancements that define the Mercedes-Benz G-Class redesign concept for 2025. Exterior evolution. The exterior of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class redesign concept is expected to strike a balance between preserving the iconic silhouette and introducing modern design elements. While the unmistakable boxy profile and robust stance will remain, expect subtle refinements and aerodynamic enhancements to enhance the overall aesthetic. A redesigned front grille, state-of-the-art LED lighting, and carefully sculpted body lines will contribute to a refreshed and contemporary appearance without compromising the G-Class signature rugged charm. Advanced materials and construction. Mercedes-Benz has always been at the forefront of automotive engineering, and the G-Class redesign concept is likely to incorporate the latest advancements in materials and construction. Lightweight materials, such as aluminum and high-strength steel, may be strategically employed to enhance performance, fuel efficiency, and overall durability. This focus on advanced materials not only contributes to the G-Class structural integrity, but also ensures a more agile and responsive driving experience. Technological integration. The G-Class redesign concept for 2025 is expected to be a technological marvel, blending the heritage of a classic off-road vehicle with the demands of a modern luxury SUV. The interior is likely to feature an expansive digital cockpit, complete with multiple touchscreen displays seamlessly integrated into the dashboard, an advanced infotainment system, intuitive controls, and the latest in connectivity options will transform the driving experience. Moreover, the G-Class is likely to incorporate the latest driver assistance technologies, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and advanced parking assistance systems. Mercedes-Benz has been a pioneer in safety features, and the G-Class redesign concept is expected to continue this tradition, providing both safety and convenience for drivers. Luxurious interior. Step inside the 2025 Mercedes-Benz G-Class, and you'll be greeted by an interior that exemplifies the brand's commitment to luxury and craftsmanship. Premium materials, exquisite detailing, and meticulous attention to comfort are anticipated to define the cabin. The G-Class has always been known for its opulent interior, and the redesign is expected to take it to new heights with spacious seating configurations, advanced climate control systems, and customizable ambient lighting. Performance and off-road prowess. At the heart of the G-Class experience lies its legendary off-road capabilities. The 2025 redesign concept is expected to build upon this legacy, offering a range of powerful and efficient engine options. The SUV may feature an advanced suspension system, improved ground clearance, and cutting-edge four-wheel drive technology, ensuring that the G-Class remains a force to be reckoned with off the beaten path. Different drive modes, tailored for various terrains, may be introduced to provide drivers with a customizable and exhilarating off-road experience. Environmental considerations. As the automotive industry continues to pivot towards sustainability, Mercedes-Benz is likely to address environmental concerns in the G-Class redesign concept. This may involve the integration of hybrid or electric powertrains, aligning with the brand's commitment to reducing its environmental footprint. The redesign may also feature energy recuperation systems and other eco-friendly technologies to maximize efficiency and contribute to a more sustainable driving experience. Conclusion. The Mercedes-Benz G-Class redesign concept for 2025 promises to be a milestone in the evolution of this iconic SUV, with a redesigned exterior that pays homage to its rugged heritage, a technologically advanced interior that redefines luxury, and a commitment to off-road prowess. The G-Class stands poised to set new standards in the world of luxury SUVs. As Mercedes-Benz continues to push the boundaries of automotive engineering and design, the 2025 G-Class redesign concept remains true to its heritage while embracing the future. Enthusiasts and luxury SUV connoisseurs can look forward to a new era in the storied history of the G-Class, where performance meets luxury and the spirit of adventure knows no bounds.